Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka BJP Meghalaya kapan bana bakadon kata ka jingtrang banya khonyak election Shiteng Samoi jong ka Shillong parliamentary seat bat shen kin sapha ya ka jing ai jingmut shakinong yalam bahakmat jong ka seng ban ai ka jing menjur habakran makinong thok kubor unong ai ktien ka BJP Meghalaya uba Maria Hom Kharkrang uloong bakinong yalam bahakmat ka seng kila ai karai banya khonyak ni ka election Shiteng Samoi Hakabay David ka kubor ba umintri ka sorkar jila uba sanbor shulay uday uba bit banlong ukurtong kaseng na kalyang uba Kharkrang uloong ba uba sanbor uday ukurtong uba biang Henry kaseng kalayo pediang kumba khandai Ngut Kiba Tiket na kaseng bat kitrang banya khun ya kanik election Shiteng Samoi ka BJP klakantat ru ba don ukurtong yamon lang ha kanik election MP da kaboong ba kamdon kanu ka jinga kren halor kani hapreng ki seng san perthei ki bayadon lang ha ka sorkar bat man ka seng san perthei ki thrang banya khun bat penbana ki Kyrtong hala ki jong
Just recently we have had a meeting of senior leaders and one thing that we have agreed upon is that we should contest these elections and we will also send recommendation to our central leadership that we intend to contest elections and this is the kind of resolution that we have passed and we believe that our central leadership will agree to it.
There also have been reports to these reports.
You see, Sanbor Shalai, he's a person who has proven himself in his constituency and outside his constituency also. We would be very happy to have him as a candidate, provided of course he agrees to it. It cannot be forced upon him. And apart from him also there are, in fact, the last count that we had in the last meeting, there were about 9 applicants. So, and yes, if you ask me personally, Basanbor will be a very good candidate. He'll be a very good candidate. But of course, we have to leave it to his choice whether he intends to contest or not. Okay. I don't see anything like that right now. In this particular election, I don't see anything. Neither we have approached the other NDA partners, neither have the other NDA partners approached us also for that. So I don't see any possibility of a common candidate. And I believe all political parties will be contesting and putting up their own candidates.